Now, your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So, taking a look at temperatures outside, they've risen very quickly after the fog has lifted. We had some low cloud that was kind of hanging around. Those clouds will continue to be with us throughout the afternoon. But you know what? None of them will be producing any rainfall as we head into the later part of the day. We'll continue to watch a dew point value coming in at 67, upper 60s throughout the day today. South-southwest wind at about 9. And as we head into the next 24 hours, we'll probably see that fog forming as we head into the afternoon period. As we head into the morning tomorrow. Temperatures across the region are generally coming in about, probably around 70 to 80 degrees most everywhere. A little cooler to the north of us, 70 in Panama City, but down in Miami it's 81. Temperatures responding to a little bit of daytime heating across the region here. Temperatures generally, well, we're looking almost at the 80-degree mark most everywhere today. I can't imagine not seeing at least an upper 70 in most locations. We have 76 in Boca Grande. They'll probably get up to about 78. 76 degrees in Sarasota. We'll crack the 80-degree mark here. 78 degrees in Bradenton. And as we look at sweeping radar, even though we do have a little cloud cover out there, we don't see any rainfall. And we won't today. The air aloft is too dry. The deck of clouds is pretty thin. It's mostly blow off from this frontal boundary back to the west, wrapping up around an area of low pressure that's gradually moving out into the mid-Atlantic. Now, this frontal boundary is going to direct our flow out of the south. That's going to really moisten the environment and set the stage again for tomorrow morning for a little bit more of that fog that'll be around. Thick at times. It could reduce visibility and require a dense fog advisory once again tomorrow morning, just as we have over the last 2 mornings. And tomorrow morning, I may indeed once again call for a first alert weather morning because of the reduced visibility that'll be around during the morning commute. We'll see how it plays out, but that's my thinking right now. Across the United States, well, we have some stronger winds aloft coming in through the northeast, and that is leading to some airport delays at LaGuardia, Teterboro, and the areas around Newark Airport, all seeing some ground delays because of those stronger winds. Also, some rain showers and snow showers to the north, rain showers transitioning into freezing rain and then transitioning into snow along the northern tier. That's some cold air up in Canada, which will gradually be sinking southward and will eventually drag a cold front through our area. Right now it's a snow event to the north, but eventually that colder air will break loose from the polar vortex, as I'm sure you're familiar with, and cause a kind of cold outbreak across most of the northeast as we move into the Christmas period. And some of that cold air will visit us. Before then, a frontal boundary stalls to the north of us tomorrow. That frontal boundary really not bringing us any cold air. It basically just fizzles out. We will catch the morning fog. We will then see the fog lift and bring us some afternoon sun. And we will look at warmer than average temperatures once again and probably through the weekend. Watch this frontal boundary just to the north sinking southward. It really doesn't give us any cooler air. Maybe a chance at a sprinkle by, say, tomorrow morning, and then maybe through about 1, 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon before it completely just washes away. But it's not going to bring us any colder air, not yet. South wind coming in at about 10 knots. We'll watch the warm temperatures linger right straight through the weekend. And then on Christmas Day, that second front will come through with the colder air, and that'll lower our temperatures back to more seasonable levels. Ray?